Glorified toaster.
Hello, how goes it? Saturday night here. I thought I'd play a bit of Commodore 64 just before getting settled down for the night. It's been quite a busy day. Kid's been an arse getting to bed, but she's in bed now, so I'm going to play, as you can see, Toy Bazaar, a game I played years ago at a friend's house. Yeah, why aren't you working? Oh yes, because you have to press F1, not the fire button. This is a sort of platform puzzler, very much in the vein of Mario Brothers, like the arcade machine. The aim of this level is to turn off these sort of valves and avoid the toys. These platforms. Oh crap! He's gonna get me! Ah! See the one that top one's jumping on? The opposite platforms will activate each other, allowing for you to destroy the enemy that you catch on the opposite platform, like that. The same way you would like by knocking the turtles in the Mario arcade on the head and. Ooh, he's gonna get me. Where's he going? Oh frig! I can never get the wind-up toys. Really hard to get. He's gonna get me. Oh, that was ridiculous. That were ridiculous. I'm having a cup of tea. Right, I can't get. I'll try to go this way. No, no. Right, got that lad. Coffee break. There we go. I can't remember exactly what this does. I think it just allows me to get all these. Come on, get the road. I can't. Oh, I was going to say I can't get the top ones because that guy there was in the road. Hang on. Oh, he's jumped over it. Oh, he's crafty. He's crafty. Come on. I've got these ones. Where are these top ones going? Maybe I have to get this lad. I'll try and get him here. There you go. So I should be able to turn these off now. There we go. Level done. Now, I haven't played this in a while. I thought the valves had to be switched off, but now I'm thinking you've got to get rid of all the enemies. Maybe I'm wrong about this game. It has been a while since I played it. Now, turn those off as normal. I shall try and... Nope, he got me. I thought he was going to go the bottom way. Come on. He's a crafty one, eh? There we go, that'll do me. Yes, I got him! And that one. And I need to get those lads. Get the extra life there. Doing a bit better now. The clock's ticking upwards. Oh, I nearly got caught there. I've seen that coming as well. I never even tried to avoid it. I'm so awfully silly. There we are, another level. So I've had quite a not busy day, but you know, kind of it's like a day where I've not been really arsed today. My daughter goes back to school. Everyone's kids of a certain age go back to school on Monday, so we're looking forward to that. Other than that, though, it's just staying away, trying to survive in a pandemic. Come on. It's getting frustrating and boring now, like. I just want to see pals and have a social life. Come on. I got no. Haha, you done yourself in there, pal. Oosh. He went the wrong way and done himself a wrong one. Oh, it's getting cold now. Jesus. the red levels now. Oof. I've got that LED light on my skin and it's making my skin look marked to buggery. Not that I'm worried about beauty like, but oh crap. You saw it coming. Right, you do that one. Oh, don't jump that way. Oh, sugar. Coffee break? It's coffee, mate. I'm no your mate. Coffee's black, dickhead. Oh, nearly. You absolute swine. Uh-oh. Right, got that guy as well. I'm not talking much because I'm actually finding it hard to concentrate without staying silent. Right, here, the guys are there. Oh, you cheeky sneaky. Yes, worth it. There we go. Jobs are good and ouch. It was a lad that I think it was my brother here at school. He had this on. I remember when he got it. He said, "I've got a new game called Toy Bazaar. Do you want to come to my house and play it?" And we went in his room and he loaded it up and had the graphics really arcadey and sort of, you know, I quite like the sound and stuff. I was like, "Oh, I need to get my hands on this." And then bums. And then I remember his mum got dead shirty because we weren't supposed to be there. It was me and my brother went to play, and his mum's like, "You're meant to be getting your tea. No having anybody in." So she chucked us out, and that was the end of that. Right, there's 3 guys there in an extra life. Eesh. Which one sets this off? Oh, wrong one. I thought that was... and I still walked into him. Frig. What am I like? What am I doing? I just a rat in a cage. Right, that has to... Oh. Despite all my rage, I'm still just a rat in a cage. Get you guys. This is actually a lot harder than I remember it being. I remember it being a quite a simple game. And I remember thinking, oh, that's a lovely little platform, eh? Bastard. Ah. Ooh. But it is actually quite taxing. It's really... The one thing I will say is the guy is quite floaty, like your main character. Like, his jumps are really sort of... They're harder to control than it might seem. They've got a bit of sort of like floatiness to them, so when you jump you kind of... There's almost a panic when you go to land as to exactly where you're going to land if you're trying to aim. Is this a bonus stage? Right, top one's first. No safety bonus, I'm afraid. Look at the size of my chin, it's massive. Yeah. And like I said on my review of that bloody... Oh Christ. Oh. I'm getting all panicky. Like I said on my review of... Funko Pop Optimus Prime. I will be doing more streaming and more videos because with the kids being back at school, but the pandemic still being on, it's a sort of thing we're able to do. You bugger. I got killed there. You little bugger. Oh Christ. Nearly got my arse felt there. This is really hard. Ah! There we go, 1. It's because they're avoiding the bloody...
Shit!
It's because they're avoiding the Oh, is that game over? Nope. It's because they're avoiding the trip platforms. Is what I'm trying to say. How bizarre! How bizarre! Ooh, baby. Right, he's there. So. Oh no! I jumped when I didn't mean to. There you go. Got him. He got that guy. Flip's sake. My 6-year-old's been giving me in trouble for swearing quite a lot recently. I don't do it like profusely, but I do swear more than I should with having a child of the age she is. So no, that's it. And so I've been trying to say alternate words to swear words, but it's really hard when you're getting your ass handed to you. There we go. That's Toy Bazaar. Good game, really good game. Check it out. Really good platformer, really good sort of Mario Brothers arcade sort of esque thing. Yeah, if you can find the time, get a shot. I'll see you later.